Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to add the image picker package to our chat app to allow us to pick images either from gallery or using the device camera. Here's the simple and ugly chat app that we built in our previous videos. It works perfectly fine as tested, but a problem is the user is missing the feature which is the ability to send their wacky and happy moments with her chatmate. So that is what we're going to add today. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button as hard as you can because your support helps us to make more content like this. Okay, so here in our chat text field, we see this back arrow icon button. And if we tap on this, it will expand and reveal the image and camera icon buttons, which we'll use for image selection. But by the way, if you're curious how this toggle button was implemented, this is being driven by this chat image drawer provider that I've created over here. There is a type boolean with a default value of false. And inside this suffix widget, we're watching its value like this. And down here, we simply check if the value is true, then we show these image picker buttons. If false, then we remove them from the widget tree. And inside the onPress function of this arrow back icon button, we update the provider to the reciprocal value of the state. As simple as that. However, this isn't ideal for production, because for a better user experience, it is best to use animations to make the transition smooth. Now back to our image picker button. If we look at inside this widget, we have these two methods. The method for picking an image from the gallery, and the method for picking an image using the device camera. This is what we're gonna complete today using the image picker package. But before we add the image picker to our project, let's organize our code by creating a chat image sub-feature and move the relevant components there. Okay, let's add now the image picker package. The documentation says that no configuration is required for Android. But for iOS, you need to add these three lines inside your info.plist file. Take note that you need to add it before this closing dict tag, otherwise it won't function correctly. In each of these permissions, you need to describe why you need access to each of these permissions. For instance, in this NS Photo Library usage description, you need to describe why your app needs permission for the photo library. And in this NS Camera usage description, you need to describe why your app needs access to the device camera. The same is true with this NS Microphone usage description. This is crucial for App Store approval as it ensures user privacy and protection. Okay, let's now populate these functions with the codes that we need. Okay, here in the pick gallery image, what we do is to instantiate the image picker class and pick gallery images using this pick multiple image method. And don't forget to await the result because this is a feature. But if you want to limit the user to only pick a single image, you need to use this pick image method and assign an image source.gallery as the image source. This returns a list of X file, so what we do is to check the result if it's not empty. If it isn't, then we loop through each item and convert each item to a file. So there is now our final result. Here in the pick camera image, this follows the same concept. We instantiate the image picker class, use the pick image method with an image source that camera has a source, and then convert it to a file. So let's test this out. As you can see, the results are printed to the console as expected. You can now display the results to your UI or upload it to your storage solutions of your choice. That's it for today, guys. In our next video, we'll try to refactor this code to make our image picking system robust, reusable, and production ready. We'll manage the error and loading state. We'll also handle the permission using the permission handler package. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow Flutter enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one.